Hey guys, so to start, you're just going to combine all of your wet ingredients together. Just make sure anytime you're baking, the wet ingredients must be at room temperature. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now that your wet ingredients are all combined, just give it a good whisk. Pour in all of the dry ingredients inside of your mixing bowl. That includes both the brown sugar and the regular sugar. Now you're going to give your dry ingredients a good mix until everything is fully combined. Now you're going to add in your softened butter and you're going to give it a good mix until it's crumbly. So now I'm just going to add in the wet ingredients and then I'm going to mix it until it's just combined. When it's just combined, I stop the mixer and then I'm going to hand whisk it until it's almost fully combined. And to finish it off, I'm going to switch out to my paddle attachment and then I'll mix it for the remainder of the time just to make sure everything is fully combined. Okay, so now we're going to make the streusel. You're just going to combine all of the ingredients in the bowl. Then you're going to mix it really well and then you're going to add in your cold butter, fork, press it, and then you're going to work it with your hands, making sure that everything is really crumbly. So now you're just going to put some streusel at the bottom of each cupcake baking cup. Now you're going to fill up your baking cups with the batter. I use a scoop because I know that everything is going to come out evenly. This scoop is 1/4 of a cup. So if you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can just use 1/4 cup. So here you're going to take some cinnamon sugar and then you're just going to top off the cupcake batter with it. All you have to do is mix cinnamon and sugar. I think I did 2 parts sugar to 1 part cinnamon. And then you're going to bake it. Mine's baked for, I believe, 17 minutes. But you know, everyone's oven is different, so just keep a lookout on it. So now you're going to slice up your baguette into 1/2-inch pieces. Now the cupcakes are ready, so you're just going to set them aside and let them cool down a bit. Now you're going to bake your baguette for 8 to 10 minutes until it's really crispy. Now we're going to make the buttercream. So I just made a vanilla buttercream here. Then I'm going to add in my cupcake. This is going to give it the flavor. Then I'm going to add in some maple extract, maple syrup, cinnamon, and some brown sugar. So here I'm just hand mixing it until everything is fully combined, and then I'm going to go in and mix it in my KitchenAid mixer. So here's the final result of the buttercream. It tastes and smells amazing. And I like my buttercream really thick, but I also like it smooth enough to pipe. So here I combine all of the ingredients to make my French toast batter, and that recipe is in the beginning of the video. And here we're just going to make some French toast. By the way, for those who are actually going to make this recipe, I really can't wait till you guys try it. This is my French toast recipe. It tastes amazing. When I tell you this will be the best French toast you ever had, it certainly will. But yeah, now we're gonna actually fry the French toast. So now we're just gonna French toast the cupcakes. This is French toast cupcakes, right? French toasting the cupcakes is the best part. Trust me, so good. Okay, so this is the finale. I'm just gonna pipe the cupcakes, put on the French toast, and then I'm gonna finish it off with some maple syrup and some powdered sugar. I really hope you guys try my recipe, or try any of my recipes. I really work hard to create these recipes from scratch on my own, and man, they always come out so good. So you gotta try this. So this is my ultimate favorite part of my cupcake videos. I like to cut into the cupcake so you guys can see how moist and fluffy these cupcakes are. You gotta make this recipe. I know it seems like a lot of steps, but trust me, once everything is done, it's gonna be the best cupcake recipe you ever made. Trust me, they are so good and buttery, and it's packed with so much flavor, and they taste exactly like French toast.